Multiply Who is a part of a series of games available from the cooperation between pre-service mathematics teachers at Grand Valley State University and the GVSU Regional Math and Science Center. To participate in this game, you will need a Multiply Who sheet for every player, writing utensils, and calculators if needed. The objective of this game is to uncover the opponent's secret number by asking a variety of yes or no questions, specifically geared towards multiplication. An example of some questions that could be asked are, is your number divisible by? Can I count to your number by? Is your number prime? Is your number a multiple of? Are the factors of your number? And many more. The board is specifically crafted so that students will not receive too many hints from one specific question. You cannot, however, ask questions such as, is it bigger than? Does it have 3 in it? Is it on the left side of the board? Any questions that do not pertain to multiplication are not allowed. The boards will be on the table with the opponents facing each other. This game is specifically meant for 2 players or teams, but for this video we will show the individual player version. Each player will participate in 1 round of rock, paper, scissors in order to determine who will ask the first question. To start, players must pick a number on their board for the opponent to guess. For instance, I'll pick the number 21. Players will ask each other yes or no questions related to multiplying or dividing to discover their opponent's number. So, if my opponent were to ask me, is your number divisible by 2? I would say no. And then my opponent, on his or her paper, will cross off all of the numbers divisible by 2 since they know my number is not divisible by 2. Using this elimination method, players will discover their opponent's number through question asking. When players are ready to guess the number, they are not allowed to guess the number directly. Using the number 21, my opponent would have to guess my number by saying, is your number 7 times 3? Then I can say yes. The game ends once a player guesses the number of the other player. Whoever was able to guess the opponent's number first is the winner. Note, guesses can only be made on your turn. This game is quite versatile in the sense that the numbers can be adjusted according to skill level. The game can also be adjusted into an addition, subtraction, division, etc. game. Another suggestion is to slip the board into a clear binder sleeve and have students use whiteboard markers, as mistakes can be common at first and students may need to use a calculator. Thank you for learning how to play Multiply Who, and I hope this game can be a fun and engaging way to help students review multiplication.